Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Jobs with Shubham. So today I'm going to provide a very good opportunity. So those who are looking for SDE1 Python developer or Java developer, so you can apply for this job. This is a very good opportunity. And अभी तक मेरा चैनल सब्सक्राइब तो सब्सक्राइब कर लीजिए ऐसे ही डेली जॉब नोटिफिकेशन अपडेट के लिए. So let's go and start the video. So this is the page of Panasonic and it's hiring for SDE1 for Python developer for Pune location. So let's talking about this job summary. So assist in the research, development and maintenance of real-time embedded software including low-level development, OS, kernel configuration, Linux and various hardware architecture, as well as verifying hardware through software developed C++ hardware device and driver, and all these things you have to know. And major responsibility and description is that plan, design and modify, implement software application from function and the system of design specification, code, integrate, test, debug and refine the software of the produce and require product, develop the software tools and subsystem or to the support of software development, test and reuse, and manage the implement, and all these things you have to know. Assist in the define, analysis and allocate of the requirement, support system program and analyze the system of the testing result, and all these things you have to know. And those who have done a bachelor's degree, computer science, computer engineering or a software engineering or equivalent experience can apply. 0 to 3 year of work experience can apply, and C++ programming experience of Linux environment including TCP IP network programming and device driver of is must, and all these things you have to know. And how to apply for the job, so you have to just click here apply and the application page will open, so you can go and check about this. Moving to the next job is coming from Genpack and it's hiring for consultant Java for Noida location. So let's talking about the responsibility. So responsible for collaborate with the business people, have a real-time understanding of business program and expected focus on agile methodology of development, deliver high quality change within the deadline. It's in this role you will be responsible for coding, testing and delivering high quality delivery among the review of team members, and should be willingness to learn new technology, and all these things you have to know. And those who have done BTech, MTech or MCA can apply, and Java 1.8 higher, Spring Boot framework, core AOP, batch, JMS, web service, and all these things you have to know. And all these things you have to know, and how to apply for the job. So you have to just click here apply now, and the application page will open, so you can go and check about this. So in this video we have talked about two job for consultant Java and Python developer. So if you are looking for these jobs also, you can apply for the job. This is a very good opportunity. And अभी तक मेरा चैनल सब्सक्राइब कर लीजिए ऐसे ही डेली जॉब नोटिफिकेशन अपडेट के लिए. And if you have any question then ask me in the comment section, I will help you. So thanks for watching. Till the goodbye.